So in today's video, we'll be learning how to take a shirt measurement. To take a shirt measurement, you start from the shoulder, the highest point of the shoulder. That's where you place your tape on. And then you ask the customer where he wants the length to be. So the customer will be the one to decide the final length that he or she wants. Then if it's for a button down shirt, the length should be 27 or 28. So for a button down shirt, you'll be the one to pick for the client 27 or 28. But for senator outfit or for kaftan, the customer will be the one to decide the final length that they want. After measuring the length, you ask the customer to turn in order for you to take the shoulder measurement. You start your measurement from this point, this very point here of the arm, and then you cross it all the way to the other part. So the shoulder measurement should be something like this. So if we have 11 as the half back, this is 11 right here, telling us the center back is 11. So if the center back is 11, that means the full total measurement of this mannequin is 22. This is the shoulder measurement. That's how you take a proper shoulder measurement. After the shoulder measurement, the next thing you have to measure is the length of the sleeve. The length of the sleeve should start from the point where you started your shoulder measurement. So you start the length of the sleeve from this point. For short sleeve, you usually use 9 inches for short sleeve. Then for the trendy 3/4 hand, its trendy 3/4 hand should be around 15 inches for the 3/4 hand, while the full sleeve of this mannequin is 23. You end just at the wrist. This is the wrist right here. Outside the length of the sleeve, the next thing you have to measure is the circumference of each of these features, which is for the short sleeve, which is 9. The circumference will go round. This is 15 for the circumference, while the 3/4 hand at 15 inches, you also go round. This is 16 inches for it to be free. I hope you can see it. While the last place, which is the wrist measurement, is 8 inches. One very important aspect you should take note of is the neck measurement. It's good to take your client neck measurement in order for the outfit to fit properly. So while taking a neck measurement, you don't put your finger in between the tape. You measure it directly. This is 16. So this is the neck measurement of this dummy. Another thing you also take note of is the chest measurement of your client. And to have your chest measurement, place the tape from their back to the chest. Then you hold it tight. This is 40 inches. You add extra 5 inches to it. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the measurement of this dummy, the chest measurement of this dummy is 45. Final thing you measure is the stomach. Some people have big stomach, while others don't. So you measure the stomach the same way you did with the chest. Right? This is 33.5 plus extra 5 inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is giving us 38.5. You can make it 39 inches if we want it to be free. So this is a perfect measurement for this dummy. To measure a cap for this dummy, you have to measure the head round, the circumference of the head. That's what you use for the cap. And this is 22.5. So if you want to sew a cap for this dummy, you use 22.5. See it right here, 22.5.